Creating a budget strictly for influencer marketing. If you have not already done so, you have to create your budget strictly for influencer marketing. In case you have clients who have been with you for a long time, thank the people who remain faithful for an extended period to feel appreciated and recognized. Make it a habit to review and discuss any negative reviews or feedback you receive. Consider them essential since these are the ones that help you to improve your product and service. Do not focus only on the reviews and positive comments you receive. If you want to take your business to a higher level, you should review both 5-star and 1-star reviews. That's the best way to improve the weaknesses of your business. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.